Good morning, y'all. Welcome to today's vlog. I know I kind of fell off with Vlogtober. It was very strategic, but here I am. It's Friday morning, October 18th. It is 8:06. I have already finished my work for today. I've been straightening up a little bit. My house is a mess, but I really want to go work out. I have completely fallen off. I haven't done anything active since my last Pilates event, which was July. Did we have one in August? One of them got rained out. Maybe I went in August and it got rained out, and then it got rained out in September as well. But I haven't done anything since then. So I really want to do something. I don't know. Maybe I'll just run. Either way, I gotta get my body moving, especially because, yeah. But listen, I jumped off the deep end, as I tend to do, and I purchased all the ingredients to make Lori Harvey's new vanilla matcha smoothie at home. Listen, I don't really know why I did it, because I've never had matcha. And I was just like, this is influence. Like, why? And it wasn't cheap. Like, the ingredients are not cheap. I understand why it's $23 at Erewhon. But nonetheless, I finally have all the things. I actually did a vlog last week that I never uploaded, where I was like out searching for all the ingredients and couldn't find them, and I ended up ordering stuff on Amazon. So here I am today, going to try it for the first time. Let me run down the ingredients really quick. I think I have everything. I'm gonna try my best to have everything linked in the description box if you are interested. I'm also gonna insert the video from the TikTok that I've been watching to kind of get the ingredients. I basically purchased everything that she had, but yeah, go check that out. And now let's get into it. So I went to Trader Joe's and I picked up the Bourbon vanilla paste. From there, I have MCT oil, I believe. Yeah, coconut MCT oil. We've got chlorella powder. All of this stuff is super healthy. So I was like, if I'm gonna be influenced by something, at least let it be something that's gonna make sense. I don't know about matcha, so I picked up this sweet matcha from World Market. I picked this one up because it said sweet. It's got cane sugar and matcha, so I just went with it. Oh, I didn't look at how many grams of sugar though. I don't know. I'm not that girl. I don't count calories and proteins and things like that. So I picked up this whey protein, which is, you know, if I'm gonna get back in the gym, I might as well get back in the gym wholeheartedly. I felt like this was vanilla as well. Yes, vanilla. As big as my goddamn head. What else? I feel like I'm missing something. Oh, did I show y'all this? The alms. I got the lime mane mushroom powder to go inside of it. I have even got plastic to-go cups. Oh, where did I put it? I have, I'm gonna use vanilla oat malk, and I've got coconut flavored Seamoss Gel. Yes, finally trying Seamoss. So this is gonna go 1 of 2 ways, but I feel like because everything is vanilla, that I'm gonna be okay, right? Oh wait, there's one more thing. Did I not get it? I think I forgot something. I think I forgot something. And I also got some cocoa whip. But I think that I forgot one ingredient, and what I'm gonna do is probably run to Target after my workout, because I'm one of those people where I feel like I need everything. So let's get ready and go work out real quick. It takes me so long to do anything, I swear. Okay, so I'm dressed. It's really chilly outside. Got my headphones. I decided I'm just gonna go on a little run. Not that my workouts be too strenuous, but I do have to work. I do have to go into Sephora at 1:30, and I don't have time to really be redoing my hair. So we are just going to make a run for it. I'm about to play my Glorilla, and we can be out the door. Hopefully I can be back by 9:15. Let's see. Just text, I know it's a toss. Oh, but my lips are ashy and dry. It's cold. My nose is running. I feel like a third grader. I don't know why I thought this was a good idea. I made it to Hair Secret. Baby, won't you swing my way? It's been a day and I've been thinking out loud. I know I want you. Long time since the last time. Got a tab, we could run up. It's 9:12. I got my coconut milk. And I forgot to tell y'all I need a maple syrup. Let me get myself together, set up my magic bullet, and then we can get ready to make this smoothie and try it out. Okay, I'm not gonna sit here and act like I know what I'm doing, but like, let's just get into this because I don't have all day. All right, we got a few cubes of ice. Do I need to shake this? Just gonna go in with however much of this vanilla, oh, I'm spilling it, oat malt that I think I might need. Pour until you're happy. That always works. I got the So Delicious Vanilla Unsweetened Organic Coconut Milk. So we're gonna pour some of this in as well. If I can get it open. My fingers are like numb. It was cold out there. Everybody that I walked by had on like all these jackets and coats and toboggans, and I'm just out here like, good morning. Add this. Oh, that's probably too much. I'm almost at my max line. Oh, I'm nervous. Okay. Oh, why did I smell it? At first I was like, oh, this smells good. I shouldn't have smelled it. We're gonna do a tablespoon of Seamoss Gel. It's like baby food. Let me put that in the refrigerator. Right, 1 scoop of my protein powder. Gonna go in with just a bit of this vanilla bean paste. Ooh, ooh, okay, okay. Right, add in some maple syrup. I got my video playing over here. It looks like a teaspoon of the lion's mane. I'm so sticky. I gotta stop smelling this stuff. I don't think she used MCT oil in hers, but I know Harvey did, so I am definitely past my max line, but we ball. I don't know how much to add. That looks like enough. And finally, some matcha. It looks like a tablespoon of matcha. This is a half tablespoon, so I'm gonna go in with 2 of these. One, 2. This was so easy. I thought this was gonna be so much worse with all these ingredients, but no, like, I can get in a little routine. If I like it, I'm gonna like it. I'm gonna tell myself that I'm gonna like it. Is that everything that I needed? Yeah. Go ahead and put this top on. I got it. Okay. Let's give it a good shake. Oh, we're good. We are right at the max line once I shook everything together. This is what we are looking like. It's more green than it's coming across on camera, I promise. All right, I'll come back and try it out. Oh, I'm so excited. Went to open my chlorella powder and got it all over me. Don't know if you can tell. That's how this is going though. So now I'm just gonna take some of my cocoa whip, which I also got I hope this comes out of my sweatshirt. All right. Oh, this is so creamy. I really hate that you can't see it, but it's a nice light green effect to it. Let me pour this over the sink. And, ooh, it's right at 20 ounces. Oh my gosh, I'm so proud of myself right now. Let's just top this off with a little cream on top. Put the lid on, and there you have it. I'm excited. I'm so proud of myself. This looks so good. Okay, I got my straw. Let's get ready for the first taste. It's not bad. It's really not bad. It does taste like a little earthy, but I honestly could get used to this because when I first tried collagen powder in my coffee, I was not a fan. It tastes healthy, but not in a bad way. It's actually really good for it to be all of this. So I'm super proud of myself. I am going to continue to drink this. I am going to continue on my health journey. So I live in North Carolina, so I ain't nowhere close to having Erewhon, but I don't need to. I got Erewhon at the house. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this was somewhat enjoyable for y'all and interesting. And if you want to take the time out, if you are into things like this, then like, I really do recommend trying this at home. I'm not mad at it. I'll see y'all next time.